Most likely you've heard the expression, waste not, want not. For me, when I was growing up, it was way more than an expression. It was a way of life. And I'm glad it was, because it taught me that nothing should go to waste. So let me share with you a dessert that starts off with some day-old bread and ends up as a restaurant fancy bread pudding. We start off by cutting a loaf of day-old French bread into chunks. You see, using day-old bread, which is dry, will actually make our bread pudding lighter. Once that's done, we mix together some coconut milk, a few beaten eggs, a good amount of sugar, a bit of cinnamon, and a touch of salt. Now we add our bread to this and gently toss it along with some flaked coconut. This will go into a baking dish and we'll put it into the oven for about 45 minutes until it sets up and the top starts to get crispy. You'll know it's done when the whole house smells coconutty delicious. Maybe serve it with some fresh fruit or a bit of whipped cream and get ready for a dessert that's as comforting as can be. I hope you'll go online and get the recipe for our coconut bread pudding so you can enjoy a dessert that follows the old adage, waste not, want not, to a T. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a thrifty and a tasty way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.